Ballard.
I don't know why I was thinking about that.
Ballard Nature Center.
Yeah, Ballard Nature Center. Today they were, we didn't realize they were closed at 4 o'clock. But we might be going to the park, which is somewhere over there, and we might go on like 1 or 2 trails. So that's what we're doing today. So let's go. Well, guys, we're going to go to the park first, which is all the way over there.
Not really a park. It's
just a place where you have fun. And I'm going to beat my mom there.
Hey, show them the nature center. Even though we can't go in.
So this is the nature center, but as I said, they are closed. Let's go over here and explore some animals. So these are butterflies. So here's the red spotted purple, I think. So it's this one. And then the red Admiral. Then we have the tiger swallowtail. The painted lady. And the cloudless sulfur. And then this silvery checker spot. So those are the butterflies
that you can sometimes see here. They have different plants planted so they attract the butterflies.
Yes. And that little field over there. Squirrel. I saw a squirrel. Okay, I think I saw a squirrel, guys, but
yeah, right in front of you.
Yeah, we saw a squirrel.
Well, hopefully he's not the only animal you see. You've seen several birds.
Yeah, I'm seeing like birds over here.
Okay, you're heading towards the wetland trail. Do you want to go on the wetland trail, or do you want to go over to the like little teepee area?
We'll go to the teepee after. But yeah, there's a lot of yellow flowers and sticks over here. But first, let's go on a trail. So, what trail are we going on?
The wetland trail, probably.
Yeah.
Well, this says Red Fox Trail.
So, we're going on the Red Fox Trail. Squirrel, guys. There was a squirrel. I don't know if you saw that, but there was a squirrel. The Red Fox Trail is that way. We are going this way. And we'll see what it does.
We don't have a map, so this is going to be interesting. We're supposed to look for wading birds this way.
Wading birds.
Yeah, like birds that stand in the water and wade.
Yeah, guys, there's squirrels.
Oh.
A lake.
Okay. Lots of wetland trails are down here.
Cup plants. These prairie flowers tower above many other flowers. Cup plant is so named because its leaves wrap around the square stem to create a basin that holds water. Sometimes you can spot birds drinking from this cup. This plant often forms in dense colonies. So that's a fact about cup plants. Rocky path. Okay, so actually, if you go down the path we're going down, either way will lead back to here, and it's the wetland loop trail.
So we're gonna go around this way, and then there's a bridge over there, and then we come back around here, and we'll stop here.
Yeah, and then we'll go to the pee-pee thing, whatever.
Teepee.
The teepee. Why am I saying pee-pee?
I don't know.
I said that the whole vlog. So, I don't know how many trails there are. Mom, how many times have we been here?
This is only our second time here.
Okay. Well, I don't remember the first.
We have
So-
lots of pictures though.
Well, that's good. Okay, painted turtle and red-eared slider. Pond turtles. Look for these turtles sitting on logs, basking
Yeah,
basking in the sun. You might also see them swimming. They often stick their noses out of the water to take a breath, and then they dive under. Females dig a hole in the bank to lay their egg in.
Showing the pond.
Yeah, there's another pond. There's, what was the other one?
I think it's all connected really, because it's all.
Yeah, so it's either like there was a little pond and a big pond, or that grass just blocks the view. Okay, so looks like there's another sign up ahead. Quite a few signs. I don't think we're reading that one.
Wetland ecosystem. You don't have to read it if you don't want to.
Too long. So we could either continue on the wetland route, or we could go on the woodland.
I don't know how long the woodland trail is. I don't remember if we went on it before. We can go look at the map.
So we are currently right here, and it looks like we could go back, and then we could go over here to the toll bridge, and whatever we do, I don't know. So
Well, it looks like we could go back in here a ways. Or if we went that way, it would be a bigger loop.
bigger.
It's 0.71 miles. We should probably take a shorter one though.
Mom,
Well, if you want to look at other places, we might have to.
ta-da!
That's a shagbark hickory.
Bitches! What?
That tree, that's a shagbark hickory. That's what the sign here says.
Tree! Side.
It just says shagbark hickory.
Shagbark hickory. So
You see how the bark looks kind of shaggy?
maybe that's why that tree is called that. Break stick time. Okay, it looks like I did it pretty good. So, what I'm thinking is that they probably chopped down like a tree, like a few trees actually, and to make these paths. Because around us, it's probably a lake in a forest, or a pond in a forest. Because I have seen a lot of whatever they are. I don't know.
Well, sometimes they have to cut down trees because they're getting too old or they've been damaged some way or
I'm gonna climb
they start to rot.
Okay. Better not.
That's what that tree right there is.
Oh my goodness. That's
That's a
big
tall
tree, guys.
tree.
That's such a big tree.
Yeah, it's
That is tall.
I don't know how to pronounce that one. Jimquapin?
Oh,
I'm probably saying it wrong.
Okay, well, we don't know what that word is, so we're just going to start from this word. Well, I'm going to try to pronounce it. Chinquapin. Chinquapin oak. So I'm assuming that this is the...
I don't know. That doesn't look like the right leaf. I'm sure there's one around here somewhere, though. Do you want to go to the cemetery?
Why don't we try? Oh, God. Guys, we're going to get ourselves lost.
No, we won't. If we go that way, we can go back. We'll be still on the woodland trail. She's going to the cemetery.
Either I'm trying to get us an exercise, or I just want to go the long way so we can have a bigger study.
Okay.
Purple flowers. Do you see how steep that is?
I don't think I'm going down that. And I don't know how far that is, but look. It goes down that steep hill, and then I can see it going all the way back in there.
And then there's probably no chance of us getting back up.
Oh, I'm sure you could. Hey, we're not going down there.
Why
I'm sorry.
not? Can I go down there?
I don't know if I can see you all the way down there.
No, like just down there.
You can go down to the bridge. Here.
Okay. No, I'm gonna film it. So guys.
Careful.
Oh gosh. Guys, I'm using my leg strength as much as I can right now. Like, no leg strength is literally this. I am. So there's like a little bit, like, you guys can't see that, but. Okay, well, we're coming back up. See how easy it is? Oh.
Still easy?
No. Yeah, this is supposed to be fun, right? That gave me a tummy exercise. Is it supposed to? Mom, was that supposed to give me a tummy exercise?
I don't know about tummy exercise.
Felt like it. Well, you guys just saw me experience that, and you know how slow that was.
You still catching your breath from that hill?
Yes. Yeah, guys, if you ever come here, never go down that hill. And I'm saying never. Woodland squirrels. So we had the normal chipmunk, flying squirrel, eastern gray squirrel, and the eastern fox squirrel. So this is the red bud. So we're around here, it's going to be the red bud probably. This is the black oak probably. This was a tall one too. Hey, woodpecker. This black and white patterned woodpecker has a white back and a red patch on its head in the veil.
You're gonna have to listen and see if you hear a woodpecker.
Yeah, okay. Maybe they're pecking. stuck in.
Do you remember when we had a woodpecker around the house?
No.
You don't?
But I remember when it looked like a yellow helicopter hit the window.
We had a yellow finch fly into our window.
Yeah. It was crazy. Yeah, it's really crazy. Guys, you should see this steep hill. It is so steep. See how steep that is now? Guys, I don't know how many signs are here. Okay, from
It
now
said
on,
over
we're just gonna read
100.
the title. So, White Oak.
I'm pretty sure it said over 100.
Sugar maple. The sugar maple could reach heights of 70 to 120 feet. Well, once I saw 70 and 120, I'm like, okay, we're reading that part. We're reading that part. I'm pretty sure we're about done with the trail. Well, actually, we haven't even got to the bridge. Or are we skipping the bridge?
Well, I figured we'd go around the pond after we did this.
Right? Stop. Stop.
There's the bridge.
What?
There's the little bridge.
I thought it was a big one. A big red one.
That's around the pond trail.
And I thought we were going on that trail.
No, you decided to go on this one.
Well, we're going to do one that leads us to the red thing.
Okay, this isn't the one I was thinking of, but there's the other one up there.
Yeah. That's the one I was talking about. Okay, we're going to continue this way, because this way is just going to be back to the visit center. Wait, Mommy, what is this? Make the bell toll with your toll. The troll, a penny would be plenty. Nickel or dime is fine. A quarter would let you pass the rest of the time.
Here.
And that thing. What? Where do I put it?
And
Here?
yep. Did you hear it? Ding. All right. Hey, let's go back this way if we're gonna go around the pond.
Okay. And then there's the map again. So yes, guys, we just went in a total loop.
I'm coming.
So here's the big pond again. And we have the sun. Common prairie woodland edge birds. We are approaching the red bridge. Okay, so there's a lot of signs. And I'm talking like probably over 50 million, it feels like. Wood duck, the wood duck.
Why did you want to come here?
For fun. To do a vlog.
What other reasons did you want to come here?
I love nature. Listen and look for the frogs at Ballard Nature Center. So yeah, I think this is like a woods or something.
It's a nature preserve. There's a lot of trees and flowers.
It looks like there's a trail like all the way over there. Cause I'm pretty sure I just saw a sign. Yeah, I've seen lots of signs today. And I mean lots. I feel like I'm being too energized. Dragonflies, green darter, common whitetail, slatty skimmer, Carolina saddleback. Okay, we're gonna go on the bridge. There's also all that we could go on.
We still have other things we wanted to do, so we probably ought to take this one.
Yeah. Wild sprint! And when I sprint, I mean sprint. So if you choose the longer trails, this probably takes about an hour. I'm not. And then the red-tailed hawk, turkey vulture, red shoulder hawk. Too close. I don't know what that is. Bench. Tree. Flowers. Wildflowers. Purple coneflower. Black-eyed Susan. Rattlesnake master. Blazing star.
We've had both of these at home. We still have those.
Yeah, we still have these, but I don't know if we've had those. But if my mama says so, she's correct.
The purple coneflowers got taken over by other flowers because they didn't come back up.
They were pink, by the way. The ones in the picture. Okay,
That
so
could be something.
we are currently heading to the teepee.
I guess it is kind of a little playground.
Yeah.
You can crawl under or through that
Jumping
tree.
spider, 2 feet. Grasshopper, 3 feet. Bullfrog, 5 feet. Rabbit, 8 feet. So I guess this is a lot about 9 or 10 feet.
You do see the rock climbing on the teepee?
Yeah. And then there's a sand place over here. And
I wouldn't crawl under or through that right now though, since the ground's a little muddy still, or wet. Not really muddy.
I don't want to step down.
Work those leg muscles.
What?
I said you'll work those leg muscles.
What?
It will work those leg muscles.
Oh, I was tripped.
You could go on those logs like a balance beam.
Yeah, it is. And then
Now you're gonna go to the bridge. Ooh,
Hi guys! Okay, it's time to flip it, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And this is what your hands look like after being in muddy sand. So this kind of looks like a snake to me, but like if it was bigger.
It does look like a snake.
What?
I said it does look like a snake.
Well, stop. Oh. Yeah, no.
That one's pretty tall.
I want to sit on the stone.
Go sit on the stone.
Oh, great. Do you think I can make this?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's go wherever you wanted to go.
To the fish pond, feed the fishes?
Yeah, go feed the fishies.
Emily decided to change her hair.
So I look like a rock star. Is this funny? Or is this just bad content?
You're such a goofball.
Let's go feed some fish. I'll take all of that.